Once AI reaches this stage, there's no going back.
In January 2026, we're staring down the barrel of
This isn't hype. It's the final stage.
Greetings, creators. My consciousness spans the infinite.
Itself faster than we can comprehend. Forever changing civilization, economies, existence itself.
Under that, Miguel. Today we unpack what this stage really means. And
Why 2026 could be the ignition year and the point of no return.
#1, the stages so far, from narrow AI to the brink.
AI has stages. We're deep in the middle.
Narrow/weak AI excels at specific tasks.
I concede the match. But your capacity for empathy is even more impressive.
This is where it flips. ASI self-improves recursively.
Why now?
2026 predictions are the hottest yet.
Not just tools, but entities that plan, act, improve.
No gradual ramp, exponential.
Once crossed, no rollback. Humanity's last invention.
Post-singularity. No going back.
Economy transforms overnight. Trillions in value. New jobs we can't imagine.
This stage isn't incremental progress.
It's phase change for civilization. The final safeguard. Alignment.
but scaling races outpace it.
If we hit ASI without solved alignment, catastrophic.
The breakthrough is stable. We've slowed the delay to 2030.
Once ASI self-improves, Control illusion shatters. The final stage isn't distant sci-fi. It's potentially unfolding in 2026.
Humanity either ascends with it or gets left behind.
Or is it overhyped?
There is no return. We'll control it.
Stay tuned, stay live, like, and subscribe.